Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Trouble. In today's video I am going to share Capgemini interview experience, both HR and technical interview of a person, and this is going to be the experience number 2. Already I have shared experience 1 with you. So the technical interview is going to be for 20 minutes and HR interview will be for around for 10 minutes. It's not exact time, around. It depends on your questions, it depends on the interview, if there is any technical issue in between, if there is any internet connectivity issue. So like that something may happen, but around it will be approximately for 20 minutes. So first, introduction is nothing but tell me about yourself. So I've made a video about how to answer tell me about yourself. That means first what you have to say, then what you have to say. So all that order, I've made a video, you can just watch that video, and so that you'll get an idea of how to answer. Then next is why Capgemini, why you want to join Capgemini, or what do you know about Capgemini also they may ask sometimes. So know about company, at least something you have to know about company before you attend the interview, and some project and project related questions also they'll be asking you. And why Python? So this person, maybe he used Python in his, he or she used Python in his or her project, so they are asking about Python. So what is the difference between C and C++? So you can tell a lot of differences between C and C++, because C is not an object-oriented programming language, but C++ is an object-oriented programming language, and you have so many differences between C and C++. So in Tutorials Point or even in Geeks for Geeks, in any of the website, just go and once read what is the difference between C++, and what is the difference between C++ and Java, C and Java, like that. If you read the differences, no, then you'll be, because this is the most commonly asked question in almost of all the interviews, not only in case of Capgemini, right? And what are the inbuilt data structures in Python? List, tuple, set, dictionaries. If you are aware of Python, if you know Python, then all this you might have known. And when you said list, tuple, set and dictionaries, they'll ask you what is the difference between list and tuple, list and set, or tuple and set, dictionaries. So you should be very careful when you're answering something. And palindrome logic, just logic, not program. And OOPS concepts, and in OOPS concepts particularly about inheritance, but it's better that you prepare all the OOPS concepts. What is normalization in DBMS? And SQL and application of SQL in real world, where do you apply SQL in your real world, right? So these are the technical questions, and it was for around 20 minutes, the interview, technical interview. And then after the technical interview, you will be having your HR interview. You'll be getting your HR interview mail on the same day. Maximum of the cases you'll be getting it on the same day, but because of any technical issue or any something, it may get delay, but don't worry, okay? So first they'll ask you to show ID again, and introduction is nothing but tell me about yourself. Next, what do you know about Capgemini? And tell me a situation where you was flexible and adaptable. So are you okay with relocation? As I said in my previous video also, even if you're not okay with relocation, you should blindly say yes. And you should be able to relocate also, guys, because until and unless you're having some personal issues, you should be able to relocate. You should be willing to go over the country, because you know, when you go over the country, when you go to different places in the country, you will be getting you'll be able to know about the culture there and all. So, and after, are you okay with relocation? The next is, are you okay with the bond? Since Capgemini has a bond for 2 years, so they are particularly asking you whether you're okay with the bond for 2 years or not, right? And so this is all about the video. And if you break the bond, it is something like you need to pay 2 lakhs, or and within 6 months, if you leave, you have to pay 2 lakhs, and after that 1.5. I'm not very much sure about that, but still, so this is about the interview experience of Capgemini, both technical and HR questions. So that's it for this video, guys. Let's meet up soon in the next coming video with another topic. I hope this video would be useful for you, and if you want me to make more and more interview experiences, just let me know that in the comment section, so that I can do it and it will be helpful for you guys. And thanks for watching the video. Let's meet up soon in the next coming video with another topic.